Hi there, I'm Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and all things Austin. Today, I'm taking you on a tour of a magnificent home at 1101 Canyon Edge. Come on in. Welcome to this elevated treehouse home designed by award-winning architect Tom Hurt. Immerse yourself in the epitome of contemporary luxury with this extraordinary 3-bedroom residence, envisioned by the esteemed architect Tom Hurt, celebrated for his award-winning designs in Austin, showcasing a harmonious fusion of sleek modernism and natural allure of its wooded surroundings. This home stands as a testament to the exquisite craftsmanship and unparalleled attention to detail. The details on this home really make it a special, beautiful home. Just the use of window placement and light in this property is magnificent. There are so many details in here, like the beautiful built-ins. No furniture needed over here except for a dining table. Also, you have another seating area. And this home has beautiful use of steel that is lit up from underneath. Let's go take a peek outside so you can see this amazing treehouse property. Poised on a private hillside lot, this thoughtfully planned dwelling captures the essence of tranquil living. Adorned with lush landscaping and overlooking a dry creek canyon, the setting offers a sense of seclusion and serenity in the beautiful hill country and top-rated Eanes School District. Indulge in the tranquility of the canyon as you savor your morning coffee on the Tigerwood deck. This idyllic outdoor space provides a perfect vantage point to appreciate the breathtaking views and immerse yourself in nature's splendor. This sits on a canyon lot with a dry creek below, but you feel like you're immersed in the trees with your own palm trees, Tigerwood and steel deck. It is extraordinary. Imagine having your coffee here every morning. The outdoor planning of this home is incredible. Not only do you have this beautiful outdoor deck, but you have this extra long hallway that leads to a side yard, and your front yard is incredibly landscaped. But let's go check out the office. I mean, what amazing glow, right? We came in the front door, we went in a circle. We're standing in the middle of this light-filled living space, open floor plan. So convenient to have your office right off of the kitchen and main space. And you have this wonderful open kitchen that's right in the center of your space for easy entertaining, and amazing storage with an air induction stove. And I love the combination of the modern meets the wood elements and that steel, and the convenient primary right off of the main room. The wonderful use of light. There's a steel step-down stair that's lit up from underneath. You have window lights above and uplit to the ceiling, and this very special bathroom and bathtub. So you have this incredible light-filled bathroom. You have your extra storage space that's kind of hidden, and your primary closet right off of the main space. Have you ever seen a tub styled this way before? Now imagine just taking your bath at the end of the day and getting to stare out into your own personal forest. It's all in the details. Take note of that uplit steel stair and built-in speakers. A butler's pantry meets laundry room right off of the kitchen. How convenient. You can have your morning coffee out of the line of sight of your kitchen space. Now, are you ready to see a spectacular hallway? Let's go. The use of light on these windows, and we have our 2 bedrooms and bath down here. Another light-filled, wonderful space. Look at that skylight. We have additional storage in this hallway, and we have 2 bedrooms. This one is being used as an office, but can easily be converted to a bedroom. And look at those views of your 2 oversized palm trees right out your window. And here we are at the final bedroom, which has a corner window and a pocket door here, so we're not eating up any hallway space. Now, what kid would not want to wake up to this every day? There are 2 closets in here, so if the other room wanted an additional closet, you could just open it up on the other side. We have another steel uplit step in this bedroom, as well as the transom windows that are throughout this home and line the entire hallway. Let's go take a peek of the side yard and the hidden storage in the front of the house. And we have this amazing outdoor storage space for all your outdoor toys. So you have this additional hangout space for your friend gatherings if you like to entertain, and it just winds you back around to the other side of the house. So you have this great side yard and usable for entertaining when you're hosting friends and getting a glimpse of that beautiful forest view. Well, we hope you liked today's property tour, and if you did, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. What was your favorite feature on this amazing home? We hope to see you back here. We'll see you soon. Bye.